If you're a caregiver and you're feeling guilty about trying to take some time for yourself, you're running on empty and you don't know what to do, well, you're not alone. And I'm here to help. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I've been caring for my family members for over 40 years. And I'm going to show you the exact 5 essential oils I used to help me stop caregiver burnout and increase my energy levels without guilt. I started caring for my grandmother at the age of 14 when she got sick with cancer. I've been an aromatherapist for over 2 years and using essential oils for over 10. I most recently had cared for my mother-in-law in my home. By the end of this video, you will have the 5 oils that I use to overcome caregiver burnout and restore my energy. You'll understand how to use them in your daily routine simply and easily without guilt. And most importantly, you'll be able to feel like it's okay to take care of yourself. It is not selfish to use self-care. Self-care is not selfish, it's necessary. First, I'll share a little bit about what changed my mind. When I started caring for my mother-in-law, I was working full-time. My husband was working full-time, and she was living in our home, and she had dementia. So that was quite a change in our life. We had raised 3 children. They were out of the house for 10 years, and she came to live with us. So that was overwhelming. But thanks to some friends that I met with through buying essential oils and using essential oils, I found some oils that helped me. And then it made me want to learn more. And that's when I started studying, even with her and work, to be a certified aromatherapist. It took me more years than it should have, but I got there. I think the most important thing is to understand that it is okay to take care of yourself. And you can't take care of them if you don't take care of yourself. You are unable to pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself will mean you take care of others better. So the more you love yourself, the more love you're going to be able to show the people you love and care for. What happens when you have nothing left to give? Your people feel it. Your loved ones know it and feel it. And they feel helpless too, that they can't do anything to help you. So you've got to not feel bad. It's okay to take care of yourself, because you're going to be a better caregiver when you do take care of yourself. I remember sitting in my car one evening realizing I just don't think I can do this anymore. And I talked to some friends, and I realized I wasn't helping anyone by being frustrated and exhausted. So here's the 5 oils that I used. I used spearmint for in the morning to get that boost of energy first thing in the morning. Then for a midday pick-me-up or a reset, I used lemongrass. It can help lessen anger and frustration. And then I also used, for stress relief, Pomarosa. And then for mental clarity, I used lemon. And finally, for the evening, the wind down, the getting ready to go to bed and relax, I used lavender malay. The way I would suggest to first start using oils, if you're not familiar with essential oils, there's a thing called a personal inhaler or a sniff stick. I don't know if you remember, Vicks used to come this way. But these little things are pretty handy, and you can put an oil on each one. You put the drops on here, about 10 drops. You stick it in this little thing, you put the bottom on, and then you've got the completed sniff stick or personal inhaler. I use this. You can carry it in your pocket. You can leave it on your nightstand. And the way I would do it the first thing in the morning, to start with, just figure out 2 times that are most stressful, or you need this the most. When do you need 5 minutes to take a breath, inhaling the essential oils and boosting your energy, resetting your mind, clearing your mind, winding down for the evening, whatever you need the help the most. Pick those 2 times out of these 5 oils I listed and start a habit. Try to create a habit for 2 times a day. So like I started in the morning. I had my low inhaler next to my bed. I'd grab it when I got up out of bed and went to the bathroom. And in the bathroom, that first thing in the morning when I went to the bathroom, I would just take that 5 minutes, inhale the spearmint, and just tell myself, it's going to be a good day. Everything's going to be fine. I slept well. I'm well rested. I'm not tired. I am ready to go. I can take on anything today. My day is going to be a great day. Everyone is happy if I am happy. So that's the way I started my mornings. And you know what? I would go in to get my mother-in-law up out of bed, and when took my 5 minutes in the morning and felt good about starting my day, she was more pleasant and helpful, and just, it's like when you love yourself, they can feel that you love yourself and you love them, and they respond. So that is my suggestion, is start with 2 times a day, morning, and if you have trouble winding down and sleeping, use the lavender. Have it by your bed. Maybe when you go to the bathroom for the last time for the night, take that 5 minutes, smell the lavender, just relax, tell yourself it was a good day. No matter what happened, it was a good day. Everyone's in bed, you're going to bed. It was a good day. You got good things accomplished. And take that 5 minutes and just smell the lavender and then relax and go to bed. And if you have to, you can just have this by your bed. Smell it a few times. Breathe in some deep breaths. Relax and feel good. And 10 minutes of your day is all you took. 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. If you can figure out how to add in these others when needed, and 5 minutes, slip off to the bathroom for 5 minutes, go to the kitchen when you got to get them some food, and inhale the lemongrass if you get angry, and just stand there, breathe it in, say it's great, things are good. If I am happy, everyone else will be happy. If I'm not frustrated, no one else will be frustrated. Because I found that I set the tone for my home or my people I was caring for. So you can do this. And by doing this for yourself, it will help you overall. You'll lower your blood pressure, make you feel good, maybe stop you from like I was doing, eating because I was frustrated. So it'll increase your energy. It'll give you better patience with your loved ones and reduce your caregiver burnout and resentment. So I hope you realize self-care is not selfish. And these 5 oils, spearmint, lemongrass, Palmarosa, lemon, and lavender malay are the 5 simple things you can add to your routine and improve your caregiver experience. So you deserve to feel energized and fulfilled while caregiving. Small changes make huge differences. And you're not alone in this journey. There are caregiver support help groups out there in your area, and a lot of them went online. You probably could find some online even now when COVID hit. That's the other thing I did that really helped me was caregiver support groups. And there was actually some that if your person you care for can go, they will have kind of like caregiving or for your care person while you go to the support group at some of the assisted living facilities. So my call to action for you is this week, try one oil a week. This week, try one oil and see if you notice a difference. Share in the comments which oil you were most excited to try. And if you like what I got to say, keep coming back, because I subscribe to my channel, because I am going to be posting more videos to help caregivers as we go through this journey together. You are not alone.